Indian troops continue their massive cordon and search operations in Rajouri, Kishtwar and Reasi districts of the Jammu region. The searches were launched after the killing of 4 persons in an attack 2 days ago in Rajouri. Meanwhile, the authorities have imposed night curfew from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. in a strip of 1 kilometer from the working boundary in Samba district. An Indian Armed Forces Tribunal has denied bail to an army captain facing trial by a summary general court-martial for murdering 3 innocent civilians in the occupied Kashmir. 3 laborers from Rajouri district of Jammu region were martyred in a fake encounter carried out by a team of the Indian Army led by Captain Bhupender in Shopian in 2020. The objective of this heinous act was to get promotion and monetary reward. Aam Aadmi Party leader Harsh Dev Singh in a statement in Srinagar has said that Bharatiya Janata Party is responsible for deteriorating situation in the territory. He condemned the recent killing of civilians in an attack by unidentified gunmen in Dangri area of Rajouri district in Jammu region. National Conference leader Nasir Aslam Wani in a statement issued in Srinagar has said that disillusionment among the Kashmiri youth is widespread and it's at peak because there is no restraint on the anti-youth policies in the territory by the Indian government. Kashmiri youth, like their counterparts elsewhere in the world, are bright. However, insecurity in their own land remains a primary hurdle in the direction of their empowerment. A detained youth has qualified the entrance examination for Masters of Law. According to Kashmir Media Service, 28-year-old Feroz Ahmed Dar, who is languishing in jail for the last almost a decade, has qualified the University of Kashmir's entrance examination for LLM. Feroz Ahmed Dar's father told the media, "My son was lodged in the central jail in Baramulla when he completed his BSc degree in 2016 and simultaneously a diploma in human rights followed by LLB degree, and now he has qualified for LLM." All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders including Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar and Naeem Ahmed Khan have demanded to the UN to fulfill its obligations regarding settlement of the Kashmir dispute under its resolutions, including the one passed on 5th January 1949. The leaders said despite the passing of over 7 decades, the promises made with the Kashmiris remained unfulfilled. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe the Right to Self-Determination Day tomorrow with the pledge to continue their liberation struggle till it reaches its logical conclusion. Call for the observance of the day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. Kashmiri freedom activist Bashir Ahmed Wani, known as Khaki Nasrullah, passed away today in Muzaffarabad. Bashir Ahmed Wani had been unwell for the several weeks and breathed his last at the military hospital in Muzaffarabad. His funeral prayers will be held in Muzaffarabad today.